Question hook: ever wondered how much you can actually pay into your Monzo account in cash? I mean, it's a digital bank, right? So, how does cash even fit into the picture? Building context. Personal anecdote: I remember when I first got my Monzo card. I was so excited to try out this newfangled digital banking thing. I thought, no more queues at the bank, no more fumbling with cash. But then, I realized something. Sometimes, cash is just necessary. Maybe it's a gift from a grandparent, or perhaps you're selling something online. So, I started wondering, how much can I actually put into Monzo in cash? Audience engagement, and I bet you're wondering the same thing too, right? So, let's dive in and find out. The main content. Cash deposits, a Monzo feature. First things first, Monzo does indeed allow you to deposit cash. It's a pretty convenient feature, especially if you're not always near an ATM. Where to deposit cash? So, where can you deposit cash into your Monzo account? Well, it's not as simple as just popping into any old shop. You'll need to find a PayPoint location. These are basically convenience stores or newsagents that have partnered with Monzo to allow cash deposits. Finding a PayPoint: you can find a PayPoint near you using the Monzo app. Just tap on the Deposit Cash button and it'll show you the nearest locations. The deposit process: once you've found a PayPoint, the process is pretty straightforward. You'll need to give the cashier your Monzo card and the amount of cash you want to deposit. They'll then give you a receipt. That's it. Your cash will be added to your Monzo account almost instantly. Daily deposit limits. Now, there is a limit to how much cash you can deposit in a day. This limit varies depending on your individual account. But generally, it's pretty high, so you should be able to deposit most of your cash without any issues. Fees and charges. Another thing to keep in mind is that there might be a small fee for cash deposits. This fee is usually charged by the PayPoint location, not by Monzo. So, it's always a good idea to check with the cashier before making a deposit. Security and safety. When it comes to security, Monzo takes cash deposits very seriously. They use advanced security measures to protect your money. So, you can rest assured that your cash is safe. Alternative deposit methods. While cash deposits are convenient, they're not the only way to add money to your Monzo account. You can also use bank transfers, card payments, and even contactless payments at certain retailers. Conclusion. Recap. So, to recap, you can definitely deposit cash into your Monzo account. Just find a PayPoint location, follow the simple process, and your cash will be added to your account in no time. Keep in mind the daily limits and potential fees, and always prioritize security. Call to action. If you have any questions about cash deposits or Monzo in general, feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Closing statement. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.